In the previous video, we ended up having two issues, and we're going to go ahead and fix one of those. So one of those was when we clicked on key, when we hosted a game, then we backed to the lobby to shut down the server, and then went to host it again. I might be able to just show you in the editor. Start game and game settings were grayed out, just like they are now. Well, my guess is when we were kind of cleaning up our blueprint and our widget here, we forgot to, or we overlooked something, and that was the part where we re-enable the options. So if we look in shutdown server, we can see where we have set is enabled to false after we leave the server / shut it down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy where we toggle them to false, scroll to where we have our host game button clicked, and at the very end, I'm going to simply set them to true. So now, host game, back out, host game, the options are still there and good to go. So that's one out of the two issues fixed. The second issue, where the information stops getting replicated from the client to the server, well, it still gets replicated and, well, by being called via RPCs, but for some reason the host does not seem to want to update everything properly. So for example, like when we went to go send a chat from the client to the server never displayed it in his chat, but in the log, he did in fact get the message. So if we look through send chat to log, well, wherever the client sends the message to the server, it was showing there. So that's going to be a more complicated one. So I may save that for later, so that way we can just continue working on our menu and getting our features and everything set up and, good to go and working. So now that issue is out of the way, I will see you in the next one where I think we're just going to add some more functionality to our lobby, because currently we have no way of actually setting well, I don't have a server up, but the server name or anything like that. We're just going off of default values. So I will see you then.